G'day everyone, it's Chriso. Here we have another shower that I'm waterproofing, the first coat, and I'm putting the bond breaker bandage on with the first coat. See how I went around these taps? In other videos I've showed you and explained what that is for. It is to stop the water going behind the cover plate and running down the inside of the wall. That's why it always gets done up like that. It's a new rule, it's been in for a few years now. But it never used to happen. And people wondered why their shower was leaking. So we're popping down the bandage. I've got to go right around. I'll be going up that line and across around that that niche, up the internal corner there with my bandage, and then I'll be doing all the walls with my waterproof, waiting for it to dry, and then doing a second coat. All this sand and cement floor is nicely sloping. The tiles that are going to be used are a 12 by 6 tile, which I'll be showing you how it's done tomorrow. The same thing with this bath. The 12 by 6 tile is going over and around the bath and the face of the bath. The floor tile is staying. Okay, we'll see you soon. I'm doing the first coat of the waterproof. Notice that I've got my sealer done on the walls. All my bandage, my bond breaker bandage has been done on the internals. Everywhere where there's a joint. And now, well, I've cut in, and now I'm just rolling the body in. Oh, my roller is pulled off the bandage, so we'll just use the brush to stick it on. It'll be fine when it dries. I've got a silicone around that bath yet. It's been it's got masking tape around it, so see the masking tape up the timber there. Once it's tiled, I just cut it all and then I silicone against the tile. The masking tape down here on the floor, I'll be doing the same. My tile will go down to the floor. I cut the masking tape off later. I go along there with silicone yet and around that bath. I'm just concentrating on the shower at the moment. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.